Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post market report. Today, what a horrible and terrible market. Most of the investors and bulls might have been bleeded heavily today. Most of the major indices in India today closed in deep red. Today, Nifty traded within a range of 578.8 points and Nifty took just support from 23,053. Today Bank Nifty traded within a range of 1449.1 and Bank Nifty took support at 49,904.40. Today was the expiry of Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty today broke the psychological as well as the major support level, that is 50,000 today, and Bank Nifty took support at 49,904.40, but Bank Nifty just closed above 50,000 level. Today Nifty traded within a range of 364 points on intraday basis and Nifty took support just above 23,500, that is 23,509.60. Sensex today traded within a range of 1,156.72 points on intraday basis and Sensex took support at 77,533.30. Today, India VIX rose about 5.76% and India VIX closed at 15.43. By Nifty today going down below 23,600 level, Nifty corrected about 10% from its all-time high. The market is like this. When market starts to fall, market will fall irrationally. That is the same thing happens when the market moves up. The market will go up irrationally. We cannot predict anything in the market. The market is designed like that. So there is no concrete rule in the market, and that is the beauty of the market. Now when I am saying that is the beauty of the market, you may feel bad about me, but that is the secret truth we have to accept. Then only we will be able to sustain in the market for a long term perspective with success. The market will not favor anybody, and also the market will not show any mercy towards anyone. The market will behave towards everyone equally, but we need to able to align with the market, to adapt when the market goes up and to adapt when the markets go down, or to say neutral when the market consolidates. Closing bell. All the sectorial indices ended with red, with auto, capital goods, metal, reality, power, and media down by 2 to 3%. Is BSE small cap and mid cap indices shed about 2 to 3%. Now let's look into the major indices in India. Nifty 50 is down by 1.36%. Sensex is down by 1.25%. Nifty Bank is down by 2.09%. And Nifty IT is down about 0.56%. Most active stocks of the day are Swiggy, HDFC Bank, Punjab Housing Finance, Reliance. Today, only 266 companies were towards the advanced mode, while 2,222 companies were towards the decline mode, while we check the advanced decline ratio in NSE. Top gainers of the day are Sidus Life, Alchem Lab, Havels India, Godrej Consumer, and Britannia. Top losers of the day are GNFC, Metropolis, Granules India, RBL Bank, Biocon. Now let's quickly check into the companies which touched its 52-week low today are GNFC, Waller Estates, Rajesh Exports, Akums Drugs, RBL Bank. Now let's move into the global markets. US markets. Dow Jones future is down by 0.06 percentage. S&P 500 is down by 0.29 percentage. Nasdaq is down by 0.07 percentage. European markets. FTSE is up by 0.10 percentage. CSE is up by 0.11 percentage, and DAX is up about 0.17 percentage. When we come into the Asian markets, most of the markets are with negative sentiments. Commodities. Brent crude now trading at US dollar 72.40 per barrel, and gold is now trading at 2607.38 US dollars. Crude oil is now trading at 68.64 US dollars per barrel. Except gold, Brent crude and crude oil are trading with negative sentiments. When market behave like this, huge fall, and when there is huge rise comes, the technical won't work. But tomorrow is the expiry of Nifty, and now let's quickly check into the details of tomorrow's weekly expiry of Nifty. The spot of Nifty is at 23,602.9, and the PCR stands at 0.55. As per the Max Payne, it indicates Nifty's weekly expiry for tomorrow at 23,750. But all these are not concrete. All this will change according to the change in the market. Stock in news. Swiggy shares surge 15% after the listing. Hyundai Motor India shares tanks 5% today on weak quarter two earnings. Nazara Tech shares gained 3% today on tie-up with ONDC to launch in-game monetization. Globus Spirits extends deadline to second day. Share tumbles 16% post dismissal quarter two results. CESE shares dips 4% today after mixed quarter two earnings. Kotak sticks to sell. Ramco Cements shares slided over 3% today as quarter two earnings disappoint. Fairchem Organics shares nosedive 11% today on poor quarter two earnings. Kalyan Jewelers quarter two net profit declines 3.3% and revenue up by 37%. Swiggy. JM Financial Services gives Swiggy its first buy tag, sees 20% upside from IPO price. Cello World shares slips 6% today on flat quarter two earnings. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and please do like and comment. It will help the YouTube algorithm. And please share the channel with your trading friends. Disclaimer: please do not make any investment decisions based on my video because I am not a SEBI registered person. I am doing this video is for you and for me for educational purpose only. Hope all you got the informations. Thanks for watching the video.